88% of smokers started as children. Can you believe that the total annual cost of obesity in Australia, including health system costs, was estimated to be around $58 billion? The interesting thing is that we are surrounded by various social issues like hunger, education, health, bullying, racism, drinking behavior, drug uses, media propaganda, gambling, and so on. These problems create disharmony and maladjustment into our society. Social marketing helps us to understand these issues, and here we study various strategies to offer appropriate solution for these unwanted issues. Hi, my name is Tanvir Ahmed, and I will be your subject coordinator. I welcome you very warmly to social marketing. It has to be said, it is one of the most interesting subjects in business. I have been collaborating with Professor Gillian Sullivan-Mott to bring you this subject. In this video, I will provide you an overview of the subject and give you some ideas about the best way to approach the subject and do well in assessments. In social marketing, we use the marketing principles and techniques to influence target audience to voluntarily accept, reject, modify, or even abandon a behavior for the benefit of individuals, groups, or society as a whole. Over the 12 weeks, we will discover the various components of social marketing strategies. Here we will also learn to integrate various cultural, social, and psychological theories, do research, and practice in framing solutions or designing a social marketing campaign. We will begin discussing the definition and scope of social marketing and how it differs from contemporary commercial marketing. Then move on to upstream, middle stream, and downstream viewpoints. We will also focus on marketing mix strategies like product, price, place, and promotional strategies. We will also discuss the other piece in marketing, people, policies, and partnerships to understand how we can convince and work with policymakers and legislators, service providers, opinion leaders to overcome social issues. The subject is very organized, where you will learn very important skills including writing, research, critical thinking, presentation, problem solving, and working in a team. We will do this by using online materials and face-to-face workshop. This format is known as blended learning, and this provides you the flexibility of online learning whenever you like and as many times as you like, with the workshops being devoted to the materials to the real-world scenarios. By completing social marketing subject, you will understand the key principles of social marketing and identify the ethical issues around the implementation of the social marketing campaigns. To do well in the subject, my recommendations are work hard and engage with the materials each week. Also think beyond the individual and look critically at commercial marketing. Always ask for help if you need it. You can approach me or the tutors or even the other students in the online forum and in our workshops. So that's pretty much it from me, and I hope you have enjoyed the introductory talk of social marketing and find the subject intellectually challenging and a practical interest. The teaching team and I are looking forward to working with you over the next 12 weeks in this semester.